store clerk with a pair of fuzzy handcuffs.
The clerk was closing the store when police say he was held up at gunpoint by two men in dark clothes. A witness nearby called police, and when they arrived, the door was locked, so police smashed the window to get in.
Wearing ski masks, displaying handguns, found the clerk with handcuffs, took some belongings from him.
The clerk was not hurt. Police are still looking for the suspects.
Oh, toast, Cheetos, trees, toilet seats, even in veins. Remember the woman with the vein in the back of the leg?
Mm-hmm.
All places where people say they've seen Jesus.
Not in the fuzzy handcuffs.
Not in the fuzzy handcuffs.
Tonight, divine intervention from one of the world's largest companies. But first, tonight.